guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do a new what if. Yes, I have already started so many what ifs. Oh my god. Yes, I am going to start another. I don't care about how many I start, but I will finish them someday. Okay, so back. So this is going to be what if Naruto was born in the 7 deadly sins. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this to all your friends. I really need it, man. At least like the video so that other people can see it. Please. Please. Okay, so let's get it going. So we start off with some explanation. So in this world there is no Hagoromo, Hamura and stuff, and there will be the tailed beast, but they would be like less. So I will explain it to you. The story starts off. If you have watched 7 Deadly Sins, you might know that Chaos was the one who built the whole universe. So in this story we are going to be that Chaos created a 10 tails. Yes, Chaos created a very big 10 tails. And when he found out that it was very destructive and it was only made for destruction, he split it into 9 different tail beasts. He gave each of them names and then sent them out. So and our boy Naruto is born in the Hidden Leaf village, the friend of Leonis. Yes. So the 9-tailed fox attacks the village, and also Naruto has the Sharingan as this, because there will be no other person who has the Sharingan as this. Okay? Get it? It's my story. I can do whatever I want. I don't care. So let's start. Naruto has a Sharingan and all that. So the 9 tails is attacking and the whole village almost is dead. And his mom and dad are the leaders of the village and blah 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 blah. And that. So there is something called magical powers in this. If you haven't seen the 7 Deadly Sins, you won't understand it. It basically powers, but magical. You're welcome. And so there is a sealing power. His dad has a sealing power, so he puts the whole 9 tails in him, whereas his sealing power cannot change it into yin and yang. In this the 9 tails is too strong, so let's do that. Now there is only one person surviving, like he's already almost dead. So he's running to Leonis. The guards see him and like, stop right there, criminal. What? Sir, are you okay? Dear, child. And he dies. He doesn't get to tell them that the 9 tails attacked and stuff, so ow. That's a big oof, man. Ow. So now there isn't anyone who would care for this boy. Okay. And Naruto's magical power will be chakra as always, because it's Naruto. Chakra. Bruh. So that starts. So and they discover a little bit later that he has the QB sealed inside him. Kurama. I will call him Kurama because I don't like calling him QB or 9 tails. I think that just mean to. And now that he's dead, I want to call him Kurama because he's dead in the anime. Did I just spoil that? Sorry if I did. I'm sorry actually, bro. But it was real sad. F in the chat for Kurama, please. 1 F in the chat. So they find out Kurama is in Naruto. So they Like, bro, everybody fears the Nine Tails in this world. Everybody, even the goddess clans like princess and demons clans, demon king, and like the supreme deity and the demon king and everybody else. Like the whole world, even chaos is afraid of what he has made. So yeah. So they sent him to Meliodas. He's in the care of Meliodas, okay? And this is also the time he's training Gil Thunder. So he will be much younger than Gil Thunder, like a 5 or 6 age gap. So let's go to the date when happened. When they got murdered. Yes, the Holy Knight got murdered. I'm just kidding, I'm not going there. First of all, we'll look at the recruitments. So first we recruit, like Merlin tells him the idea, blah blah blah, 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 blah. So let's go. We first recruit King, then Dian, then Ban and Escanor. So we recruit them. And in this timeline, nobody hates Naruto as they are also monsters like him. So they have something in common. So let's go. Naruto is training under the roots of Meliodas. He's telling him how to do and control his magical powers. In this time, he has created the Rasengan, which took him 2 years, let's say. 1 year less than Minato. Let's say that. So it took him 2 years. And he got Shadow Clone and like he got everything. Even Sage Mode. I'm gonna make him super OP in this one. Because he's Naruto, okay? He's Naruto, literally Naruto. So let's do that and yeah. So what happened next is something unbelievable. He's the 8th member of the 8 deadly sins now. Yes, it is the 8 deadly sins now. So this series will be called the 8 deadly sins. Yeah, I'm not kidding. But I'm just joking, okay? So, but he's still the member. And he will be given the sin of chakra, let's say. As they find out it's chakra. And they also find out it's one of the rarest magical powers. Actually, it is the rarest power. It's almost like 0.00000 infinite zeros 0.1%, bro. Infinite zeros. So yeah. And so he's given the sin of chakra. Let's add the line like Meliodas has the sin of dragon, the sin of wrath and all that. So let's call him, the other name will be the sin of Rasengan. Yes. And he also unlocks 3 Tomoe Sharingan. And in this, let's do a little different so he can get an Eternal Mangekyo. Because Eternal Mangekyo you cannot get because he's the only one with the Sharingan. So let's say when you get the Mangekyo, if you like train enough to get it, then you will get Eternal Mangekyo. Yes. Before you go blind, you have to train enough for it. Before you go blind. Keep in mind, after you go blind, you cannot get it. Yes. It means he has a chance of being blind and never getting the EMS. So, let's go. So, the 10-year gap. Now, we get to the Holy Knight King's office thing. And we discover he's dead. And also Naruto knows how to control the 3 tails. It was pretty hard. Yes. In 10 years, he only got 3 tails. In this world, Kurama is more OP than ever. So, he did that, and Meliodas said that disband and all that. He said Naruto come with me, as he knows that he could go rogue in this world. Like, he could literally go rogue. Like, if the Nine Tails ever gets his consciousness, he will go rogue and literally kill everyone in the world. And then even he won't be able to stop it. Okay. So Merlin knocks him out and says to Naruto, escape with Meliodas. As he asks, like, what about you and why did you knock it out? And then he remembers about the evil form, the demon form thing, as Meliodas once did that too. He once did that. Yeah. So now we meet Hawk, and we go to episode 1 where we find Elizabeth again, but that will be for the next episode. Yeah. You really think I'ma do that shit? Cliffhanger no jutsu! Now you have been cliffhanger no jutsu. You cannot find information anywhere. You really think I won't do that? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the first episode. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and put your comments if you want to see the other parts of this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you next time. I said all 3 of these things 3 times in this video. I don't understand, but bye. Have a great time. And stay safe, okay? I ain't want no COVID on you. You my boys. So stay safe. Bye.